Here's presenting the star cast of the film Gippy in an exclusive candid conversation with Biscuit.com.
It's been really great and very exciting. But at the same time, since it's my first movie, I've always been nervous because everything's happening for the first time. But overall, it's been really nice.
पीरियड्स फिर से आ गए क्या?
बोला ना हर महीने आता है।
इसके तो हाथ पैर पे बाल भी आ गए। तू वैक्सिंग क्यों नहीं करा लेती?
ऊपर का 40?
I learned a lot from Wake Up Sid because it was the first film I worked on and I was there from the beginning to the very end and I saw the entire process. And then on Sadhguru Maaf I learned like how like an experienced crafty director works because Vishal sir is so experienced, has a beautiful directorial craft. So I tried to learn a little bit from him.
तो क्या सिर्फ men horny होता है?
नहीं, women also.
बहुत cute है ना?
She किसी बॉय बैंड का सिंगर लगता है.
I think he's hot. एकदम रणबीर कपूर.
Well, Sonam just told us she casted really well. All the people in the films casted really well. And she said just be yourself on the film. Arjun जो है बहुत ही reserved है, carefree है. And he is, like I said, that he's failed, so everybody looks up to him. So he's considered to be a stud, right? That's what Sonam says.
मुझे अपने एज के बॉयज में कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है.
Why don't you guys just admit that you love her?
This is a different age group, this is teenage, and I'm playing a mommy, and but a different mommy. You just saw one sample of it. Yeah, I'm as clumsy in real life, so it was great to play yourself.
बेटा 40 की ना रास्ते में आ जाएगी.
मम्मा, लोग सुन लेंगे.
To not really act much and to just be. So she's somebody who's vulnerable, emotional, very strong also, and yet somewhere very clumsy, very jhallu, and I would say cute. So yeah, it was great to play somebody who has so many layers to her. Who, of course, we all do have different aspects to us. We keep changing with different situations. So this has been very sweet to just take on this role.
I've thought about my childhood, my teenage years, the things I've been through, the people in my life at that point, and just made like a film out of those incidents.
We shot during the summer vacations and we shot only for about 45 to 50 days. So I didn't really have to manage my studies along with it that much. And that time not even much work because I just missed about a week or so. So it was quite easy to do.
तो 40 से नहाती हो?
तुम तो उल्टी से नहाते हो.
तुम नहाती भी हो क्या?
कोई आइटम सॉन्ग नहीं है इस फिल्म में. एक डांस नंबर ज़रूर है, बैन दी रखी. एंड दैट इज़ अ वेरी ग्रूवी नंबर. मुझे लगता है हर क्लब में प्ले होगा और हर कोई इस नंबर पे डांस कर पाएगा. और जो बाकी के दो गाने जो मेरे फेवरेट हैं, एक तो है दिल कागजी और दूसरा है मन बाबरा. और जो बाकी हैं वो तो बच्चों के लिए हैं. वो ठीक थी. आई लाइक देर ओके फॉर किड्स बट आई रियली लाइक दिस क्योंकि बहुत ही डीप है. इट गिव्स यू अ डिफरेंट साइड ऑफ द होल फिल्म. Baki films are fun, enjoy this and that, but this falls into a romantic, falls into a heartbreak. I think it's the music by Vishal Shekhar has been brilliant.
We were doing the Shami Kapoor number, and so it was an impromptu thing, and she didn't want it very choreographed, and yet there were kids around who didn't know much what to do, and so I just started dancing on my own because Shami Kapoor we've all grown up on, and his dance is the mantra for us. So I just danced, and the kids just picked it up from me, and I have no idea what I did, but it looks good on screen.
Yeah, it's not saying that like be obese. It's just saying that be yourself. Now the character is like a little chubby and she's a little clumsy and she feels like she's not perfect. So it just tells you that you are perfect as you are. Don't try to change yourself. So yeah, that's the message of the film.
I'm Gippy. मेरे पास कोई मेडल्स या सर्टिफिकेट्स नहीं है. मैं ना स्पोर्ट्स में अच्छी हूँ और ना पढ़ाई में. एंड लेट्स एडमिट इट, आप लोग भी मेरे ही जैसे हो. हमें लगता है कि हम मोटे हैं, अगली हैं, इडियट्स हैं और बाकी सब हमसे बेटर हैं. बट ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. We're all the same.
Hi, this is me, Gippy, and you're watching me on Biscuit.com.